The 2022 DISCA Excellence in Construction Office Project Award goes to Sloan & Company for their work on the Phase 2 build of the OceanFirst Bank in Toms River, New Jersey. Shortly after the building's structural steel went up, Sloan came in and began installing all the light gauge framing attached to it. At 6 stories and nearly 80,000 square feet, it's a fairly large structure, and some of its architecture, although subtle, was rather demanding.
When we were framing the outside of the building, we were trying to save time and make it easier for the guys, so we panelized a lot of the exterior framing. So we have a faceted wall on the front side of the building that we built inside the building in the panels, and then suspended them over the side and attached them from the outside.
This faceted wall appears as a long, gentle curve. In reality, it's a 163-foot-long curved wall with a radius of 158 feet that's faceted in 20 sections. With all the building's exterior framing complete, Sloan began installing approximately 40,000 square feet of sheathing over top of it.
One of the challenges we had on the job was dealing with all the weather coming in off the ocean. We had real high winds all the time, a couple pop-up thunderstorms, and just posed a lot of issues with the guys working up on like the 125-foot lifts, the 85-foot lifts. They were on the ground a lot because of wind.
Now that the building is complete, its elegant lines are on full display, and the quality of Sloan's work really shines. One panel just slightly out of alignment would ruin the whole effect. It definitely stands out from the other office buildings in the area. Sloan's work was not limited to the building's exterior either. Inside, they were responsible for all the drywall in office spaces, common areas, hallways, meeting rooms, dining areas, and even the fitness center. Everywhere employees look, they see Sloan's quality handiwork. The effort required a total of 250,000 square feet of drywall to complete. Sloan also installed a number of elaborate ceilings throughout the building. These included an Armstrong acoustical ceiling in the fitness center made up of trapezoidal panels. They also installed a ceiling atop the dining area on the first floor, made up of circular clouds and lights called Danny's Donuts. Somewhat ironically, the donuts continue down the hallway right past the fitness center. On the upper floors above cubicle spaces, Sloan installed slightly tilted acoustical tile cloud ceilings, which really helped to break up the area's otherwise linear look. One kind of unique design element of the building's interior is that each of the 6 floors has different color accents throughout, which really help to enliven the off-white walls and ceilings. We're going to let you guess which floor is Foreman Tony Caprio's favorite.
I think the building looks great. I think the crew I had here did a phenomenal job. It was manned well, and it is nice to see the people in here and working.